Which Seattle area neighborhoods have the best price per square foot? We're counting down 5 ranked neighborhoods across Seattle and its suburbs, from number 5 to the best value for space at number 1. For this ranking, the focus is the greater Seattle area. So we're looking beyond the city core and into nearby suburbs where square footage can change the equation. I'll use typical home values and walkability where they help explain the trade-off between price, space, and day-to-day convenience. Number 5 is Monroe. Set in Snohomish County near the Cascade Foothills, Monroe sits where the Skykomish and Snoqualmie rivers come together to form the Snohomish River, giving it a very different setting from Seattle's denser urban neighborhoods. Its typical home value is around $736,153, according to Zillow in 2026, and its walk score is 86, according to Walk Score in 2026. For price per square foot, Monroe earns its place because it brings a more spread-out suburban and small city feel, while still staying connected to the broader Seattle region. Number 4 is Everett. About 25 miles north of Seattle, Everett is the county seat of Snohomish County and one of the main cities in the Puget Sound region. The typical home value is around $562,035, according to Zillow in 2026, which is one of the key reasons it stands out in a price per square foot conversation. Everett also has a walk score of 95, according to Walk Score in 2026, so parts of the city offer a more urban street grid and access to shops, services, and waterfront areas without needing to be in Seattle proper. Number 3 is Lynnwood. Lynnwood sits north of Seattle and south of Everett, near the junction of Interstate 5 and Interstate 405, which makes it a major suburban crossroads in the metro area. Its typical home value is around $810,573, according to Zillow in 2026, and its walk score is 71, according to Walk Score in 2026. While that home value is higher than some others, Lynnwood remains relevant for price per square foot, because the housing mix and location create a different space versus access trade-off than many closer-in Seattle neighborhoods. Number 2 is Federal Way. Located in King County and part of the Seattle metropolitan area, Federal Way is one of the more recently incorporated cities in the county and had a population of 101,030 at the 2020 census. Its typical home value is around $622,819, according to Zillow in 2026, which keeps it very competitive in a greater Seattle price per square foot ranking. Its walk score is 29, according to Walk Score in 2026, so this is more of a car-oriented suburban pick. But that layout is also part of why space can be the main story here. And number 1 is Marysville. Marysville is north of Seattle, adjacent to Everett on the north side of the Snohomish River Delta, and it sits about 35 miles from Seattle, within the larger metro area. Its typical home value is around $651,809, according to Zillow in 2026, and its walk score is 81, according to Walk Score in 2026. For this countdown, Marysville takes the top spot because it combines a strong square footage value signal with a location that still ties into the Everett and broader Seattle area economy. So, the full countdown is Monroe at number 5, Everett at number 4, Lynnwood at number 3, Federal Way at number 2, and Marysville at number 1. The big takeaway is that the best price per square foot around Seattle often means looking at the full metro map, not just the neighborhoods closest to downtown. Each of these places brings a different balance of home value, setting, and everyday access. What did we miss? Which Seattle area neighborhood would have made your top 5? And what would you have ranked higher? If this helped, give the video a quick like and subscribe for more Seattle neighborhood deep dives. Tell me what topic you want next, whether it's condo value, waterfront access, walkable suburbs, or a specific neighborhood breakdown. Every number in this video is sourced, and you'll find the links in the description.